I started using my license more, and like actually family and friends would be like, hey, Latrice, real estate license, like I'm looking for a property, and I'd be like, oh, okay, yeah, let's do it. And I bought my own house, and then and people at work would be like, hey, Latrice, like I'm thinking of buying a new construction, can you come and represent me and just like sign me in?
So I guess jumping into like real estate stuff, because that's what you do. What got you into that? Was it something that you always wanted to do?
No, I was in college and I was working for a lender at the time, and I was his loan processor. Well, I started off as their receptionist, and then I moved into the role as the loan processor, and he was just like, oh, you should get your real estate license. And I was like, okay. And so then I just started studying on my off time when I wasn't studying for school. And next thing I know, I took the test and I passed. So that was in 2007. And then I was doing loans a little bit. This is like right before the bubble hit. And this is right before you also didn't have to have a separate license to do loans. I was able to get a couple loans under my belt. It was nice to make some, what I considered easy but good money doing it. Then the market crashed, and I was graduating from college at the time anyway. And so then I went into financial services, but I always had my license. They tried to get me to get rid of my license, and I was like, absolutely not. This is like my plan B. In case something happens, I always will have my real estate license to fall back on. And so then while I was working at Prudential, I started using my license more, and like actually family and friends would be like, hey, Latrice, real estate license, like I'm looking for a property, and I'd be like, oh, okay, yeah, let's do it. And I bought my own house, and then and people at work would be like, hey, Latrice, like I'm thinking of buying a new construction, can you come and represent me and just like sign me in? Then that became like real easy money, because people, I was like 24, 25, these people buying like $1 million homes, 1.5 mil, and I'm like, this is the easiest cash ever in life. How did I make that much money? By signing someone in at a builder, and I got paid. So then I just kept doing it more and more. And then once I got pregnant, and I didn't want to be in corporate America anymore, I decided, I'm just gonna be a stay-at-home mom, and realize I can't stay at home because that's not in my. I had to do something, and so then real estate was like the easy fallback. So since 2016, I've been doing it full time.